So I'm going to show you how to turn on Narrarator, which is something that's already built in on your PC or on your computer. So I'm on a PC right now. I'm going to go down to the Windows at the bottom left-hand corner of my screen. It turns blue. I'm going to click with my mouse, and then I am going to go to the cogwheel, which is Settings. Once I get to Settings, it looks like I already have it open, so I'm going to go to the home screen. And from the home screen, you'll be able to see some different options. I am going to choose the one that, I'm going to first choose the one that says Ease of Access. So Ease of Access comes up, and I can turn Narrarator on. And then you may or may not hear that, because this is a screen recording. But then I'm going to go back to the home button, or the home on the left hand side, and now I'm going to choose time and language, which I'm not quite sure why it's there, but because I guess it's language, speech. I'm going to choose speech, and then here I can change the voice, the type of voice. I can listen to the speed and change that. And I can choose the accent. And then you'll see that blue bar, which let me move that so you can see. So you'll see a blue bar. And once screen recorder is on, it will read the things on the screen. Now, the biggest part, so that it's not so annoying to you, is just going to keep doing that and turn it off. So go out of here, and what's in blue, that's what it's reading. So I am going to go to my browser window, and I'm going to open up, I'm going to open up a document or something that has text on it. So you'll see that that blue bar is there. Now, if I want it to read that, then there are a couple of things that I can do to toggle. So it's now reading that. You can hear that. You may or may not be able to hear that. But there are a couple of shortcuts that I can do to help it along. So the first thing is switch on their narrator and turn it on and off, because that can be very annoying, is on my keyboard, I'm going to tap the Windows, and I'm going to tap or hold down the Control, which is right next to it, and Enter. Okay, so once I do so, it turns off the narrator. So to turn on the narrator, I'm going to do the same thing. So Control, which is that button, the window, and Enter. So it turns it on. And it'll tell me starting narrator. So whatever shows up in the blue box is going to be what is read to you. So whether that be an email or not, there are some other things that I can customize to, like, move that cursor, move the blue box around. So it's basically where my cursor is, where that blue box is going to go. Hopefully this is helpful to you. I would love to answer any other questions or make more videos, whatever I need to do to help you.